Hi, in this lesson, you'll explore games you've played and consider why they're fun. Imagine this scenario. You and your friends are raking leaves to help clean up the neighborhood park. This seems like a chore at first, but you decide to challenge your friends to see who can rake up the largest leaf pile in 5 minutes. By creating a challenge or objective, you've turned this chore into a simple game. Your friends also add some rules to make it more fun. They set boundaries of where you're allowed to rake leaves and who will judge the leaf piles. By simply adding a challenge, who can rake up the biggest pile of leaves in 5 minutes, and a couple of rules, each person's boundary and who is judging, what was just a chore has now become a fun game with your friends. This is a great place to define what makes a game a game. Games are activities where a set of rules and challenges determine how players can win against an opponent or solve a puzzle. They usually involve a player's skill, knowledge, or even just plain luck to win. Let's take a quick look at some different types of games you may have played. Have you played physical games or sports? These might be games you've played at recess or during gym class, like tag, basketball, gaga, or hide and seek. How about tabletop games? These could be board games or card games such as Connect 4, Solitaire, Candyland, Mancala, Uno, or even Tic-Tac-Toe. Maybe you've played some video games. Have you ever played a game on a phone or computer? Video games would include Minecraft, Subway Surfer, Mario Kart, and Candy Crush, just to name a few. As you've probably noticed, there's a wide variety of games that you may have already played. While they are different in many ways, they all share common elements that make them more than just an activity to do. They are fun games to play. In this lesson, you'll begin to think about the games you've played with a critical mindset. What makes them a game? Are they fun to play? Who created them? Let's jump in and explore some of these questions further.